Porosity here, Natural Beautiful Curls, and I am going to be unboxing the Curlbox September 2019. And I'm doing it off camera because it's kind of late. I just received the package and I just wanted to show you guys what I received in the package of the Curlbox September 2019. I thank you all that are viewing my channel, and I hope you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I have Curlbox September 2019 here. So let's get started, guys. You know, they have the little thing here. If you mention them, they'll give you a shout out. We have the Curlbox Heavy Fashion September 2019. And inside it, you know, they always do a letter from the editor. And they give a little review of the different products here. And then here's a little pamphlet of the products. Elasta QP. Let me know if you guys heard of this brand in the comment box below. It's olive oil and mango butter. Nature Perfect Fusion of intense nourishing oils and butters. So, and it gives a little brief description of all the different products that they sent me. So I'm going to start off with this product. It was already outside of the box. It was outside. It wasn't included in the box. It was outside of the box. So this is a glazed conditioning shining gel here. And I'm just going to see what it says in here about it. So it's a 6-ounce bottle, and it has olive oil, mango butter, vitamin E, and biotin in it. Biotin. I don't know if you guys can see that here. So it's like a little stiff, it's like a gel. So there, it's just like a gel here. So that's that. And then let me open this up. We have the anti-breakage leave-in conditioner, and it says this is a 15-ounce bottle, and it has olive oil, argan oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, and shea butter. And this is a leave-in conditioner. It smells good. So let me show you guys. So it's not really thick. It's pretty thin. Goes on pretty thin. As you guys can see, it's not really thick at all. But it's just a leave-in conditioner, so that's good. I like leave-in conditioners. Okay. And then we have, this is the olive oil and mango moisturizer. And this is a 6-ounce. It has olive oil, mango butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, coconut butter, and biotin in it. So this is their moisture. This is pretty thick here. So yeah, this is pretty thick. Pretty smooth, and it smells good. So they say this is a new and improved intense treatment. So I'm not sure what the old one is. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comment box. So that's that. And then they also gave me Feels Like Silk liquid styling gel, and it has avocado oil, coconut oil, enriched vitamins A, B2, C, E, F, and H. Olive oil moisturizer. So let's see what this is. So yeah, it's like a gel. I'll be excited to try this. Liquid gel. Feels like silk. See what it feels. Yeah, it's real smooth too. It's not real sticky or anything. I have to try that and see what it is. Okay. And last but not least, they have the foam, the design foam for wraps and stuff, settings and style. And this one has olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, and biotin in it. So these are the products here they sent me. You all can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size bottles. Let me know what you guys think. And if you tried any of these products, I will be glad to hear from you. And how did they work for you? Let me know. So this says it helps strengthen and perfect hair and protect against breakage, split ends, and dryness. It's also available in beauty supply stores and on Amazon. So yeah, I know the avocado is good. Aloe vera is good. All these different oils are really good. So I am excited to try these products. They smell really good too. Alright guys, so that's that. Let me know what you guys think, and if you tried any of the products. Thank you all for viewing my channel again. And I hope you all have a good night. Alright guys, that's September 2019 Curlbox. Talk to you later. Bye.